I'm creating some beautiful coasters using some wood rounds that I got from Walmart, and I am going to stain them using brown paint. First, I'm going to go around the edge of the wood round. And next, I am going to put the brown paint on top like a stain. I realized I didn't have my gloves on, so I took out a little time to put those on so I wouldn't mess up my fingers. Next, I'm taking just a little bit of the resin and putting it at the bottom of the coaster mold and putting the wood round on top, and then I'm going to add the resin all the way on top of the coasters. I'm going to add some wet and scatter right around the edges in just a few places. I want to give it a little design by adding some brown paint. And then I'm going to take a toothpick and swirl that brown paint around. And that did not work out as well as I thought it would. I've used paint before, but for some reason this paint wasn't the best and it just kind of clumped up. It didn't really spread out the way I wanted it to. Now I'm adding a little bit more of the wet and scatter. I am not pleased with how these turned out at all. My table wasn't level, so it has a lot of high and low spots in here. I'm going to put some more epoxy on top. The brown, I don't like how it just kind of floated over. I wanted it kind of like on the ends. And that was paint. And although I've worked with paint before and achieved the look that I want, for some reason this paint wasn't the best. What I'm going to do this morning is I'm taking some alcohol ink that I have, and I just looked up the three colors to make brown, which is red, yellow, and blue. I'm going to mix those up. When I pour the more epoxy on top, then I'm going to try to use the alcohol inks and see how that works out. Let me go ahead and mix this alcohol ink together. Okay, I tried it out on this one to see how it works, and I like that a lot better. You know, I added the alcohol ink to this, and it's just set on top. I'm glad I only did two and got the other two to do. Because see how that ink set right on top of there? You don't have none on there. It's just like a oil sitting on top. And I don't know how or why that's happening. Guys, I just said, I don't know why that's happening. You know why it's happening? Because this is not ink. I thought this was ink. This is for candles and soap making only. I don't know what. It was a whole packet and I thought that's what it was. So I guess I just solved my own problem. Well, I guess I should demold them and show you how it looks. I guess that's why it's important to read before you go using stuff. I had that packet sitting next to my alcohol ink, and I just assumed that's what it was. But otherwise, they turned out pretty good. I'm gonna finish the other two, level them up with some more resin, and I'll come back and show you how beautiful all four look. Here are the completed coasters. Want to come back tomorrow for Tablescape Tuesday to see the full reveal of how they look with the Tablescape. Thank you so much once again for coming back and watching another DIY video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers so much. And you all have a blessed, wonderful day.